Video vlog to ta. Ha? Video vlog. Hi, hello everyone. This is Mary Rose, and then I want you to know that we are here in Cadore Farm. And then this is Marie, my friend. And the other one to take the video is my friend. Me. So nice. So for a moment, she's our tourist guide. And then isip ko na yung tourist guide. Sobrang lamig. It's so cold. We are in the top of the mountain. Yes. Hi everyone. This is video vlog. Budat vlog. So as you see, the down one is all the building is in the Hong Kong. Balik pangutana. 500 ano? 500 me? 5,000. Ay, 5,000 above sea level. 5,000 above sea level. Ibig sabihin, nasa langit na pala tayo nito? Sa langit ba? Oh, ito yung saan tayo galing doon, di ba? Ayun o, yung kwan. Yan. 5,000 sea level. Aeroplano rin, no? God is so amazing. Ang ganda ng creation niya. See? Thank you, Lord, for your goodness. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful creation na ginawa mo para sa amin, O Panginoon. Thank you so much, O Lord. Ang ganda po. Nakaka-relax. Basta wag mo lang isiping tumalon dito. Pag ano ka, parang ganda dito mag-meditate, talk to God. Ang ganda. Worth it yung hiking mo.
Ilang banjurit mo na sila. Ito ilang banjurit pinakataas.